Konnichiwa, it's Nami from Just One Cookbook, back with another video for you, and today I'm going to share how to make kuromame in the Instant Pot. Kuromame literally means black beans, but it is also a dish name for simmered black soybeans cooked in sugar, water, and soy sauce. It's one of the classic dishes the Japanese enjoy during the New Year's. It takes a lot of time to make this dish, but I sped up the cooking process using the pressure cooker function of the Instant Pot. I already have the recipe for regular stovetop method, and I put the link here and the description box below. Now let's get started. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it thumbs up and leave a comment below. And if you love Japanese food, follow along on Instagram and Facebook at Just One Cookbook. Since you guys are all watching till the end of this video, here's the Japanese word of the day. Kuro. It means black in Japanese. If you want to say black in adjective form, you add I and say kuroi. Black clothes is 黒い洋服 Black hair is 黒い髪の毛 Black eyes are 黒い目黒い黒 Have fun using it. Subscribe if you haven't already and make sure to click the bell icon. Sending big thanks and love to the notification squad.